So if you like today's video, hit the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this, and hit the notification bell to never miss an upload. Now let's get into today's video. For today's anime character makeup look, we're going to be doing Rui from Demon Slayer. He is one of the demons from Demon Slayer. So this is what we're going to be doing. So yeah, let's jump in right into the look. Okay, so we're first going to work on face. So I'm going to be using my my RCMA foundation palette. And the colors, I think I'm going to use 2 colors for this. So I think I'm going to use this one and this one. I might dip into this one as well, just to give a really nice white. Okay, so my skin is nicely primed. I'm just going to paint around the eyes just because I am using the alcohol activated paints. I'm just going to start just painting it on the lids, and then I'm going to work around the eye. Alright, I'll come back right when the eyes are completely done. Okay, so around the eyes are done. I'm just going to now set it with my Catrice Baking and Setting Loose Powder. And this is a translucent one. I'm just going to set the foundation. So I don't have a pale enough white, so this is pretty much what I'm gonna get, so whatever. So I'm going to set the rest of the face using the same translucent powder. Okay, now I'm going to start doing the little circles that he has. So I'm just going to use my Shiny brush number 8 and just fill in the brows first. With this makes it a lot easier. Okay, so the eyebrows are done. I don't know if he has it on both sides, but I did that anyway. So now he has 3 kind of like down this side and then like 5 here. So I'm going to first draw a line. And then we're going to start the circles. Looks like the middle one is the biggest. Okay, so all the dots are done. Now we just need to work on the eyes. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M158 brush, and I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Concealer Duo. I'm going to take the green side. This is like the only mint green color that I actually have. So I'm just going to use this for the eyeliner. Just with my Tweezerman lash curler. And we're actually not going to do false lashes, just because I feel like the mascara that I use really gives my lashes volume. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys tomorrow for another one of my favorite character makeup looks. Bye!